This is video 3, How to Use a Subject Guide. The first step in any research project is to broadly outline what your topic is. Once you've decided on a promising general direction for your research, the next step is to actually explore the literature and strategically analyze what information will help you write the best literature review possible. Go ahead and open up your proposal memo assignment and pencil in a general topic that you're interested in exploring. I say pencil in because you will almost undoubtedly need to adjust and narrow your topic as you pursue the literature. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using education as my starter topic, but you can put whatever interests you. Now that you've decided on a starter topic, let's learn the fastest way to get into the research that subject matter experts care about. And the easiest way to do that is to ask an expert. Let's open up a window in our browser and go to lib.byu.edu. Once you're on the library's main page, click on the Research Guides button. This will take you to a page that is curated by BYU's subject librarians and contains the most up-to-date information on how to perform research in many fields. Find your research topic and click on it to access the actual guide. For me, I'll click Education. If you don't see a research guide that is directly relevant to your topic, find the closest match you can. For example, if I wanted to study the impact of cell phones on self-esteem in teenagers, I'd probably use the Psychology Guide. Since each research is curated by a specific librarian, each one will be a little different. Most of them have common elements that will help you write your paper. For example, right away I learned the databases that are important for my education research, and I learn a little bit about what each database has to offer my research. I also learned who the librarian for this topic is. The featured librarian will have advanced degrees in both the subject area and the library science. If I have any further questions about this topic after looking through the research guide, I can always email the librarian, or I can easily schedule an appointment to meet with her. Now that I know which databases contain information that is relevant to my research topic, my next step will be to use those databases to generate keywords and phrases that will help define my research topic.